Hey Pavani, why are you looking so dull?
The weather is so drowsy and it's so boring today.
Okay, come, let's play a game.
Why should we play a game? Let's create our own game.
Really? Let's try something new.
Okay, let's do it. Hi all, myself Sri Lakshmi. I am from second year CSCB. I have developed Space Wars game using Pygame platform. So let's see what is Pygame. Pygame is a cross-set platform of Python modules and it is used to design video games. It is also used to design the multimedia applications and it is run by using Python programming language. Now let's see how our game screen looks. This is the game screen of our Space Wars game, and in this we have multiple UFOs, and this is the rocket. And this rocket shoots the bullets towards UFOs, and whenever the bullet hits the UFO, the score displayed on our scoreboard will be increased by 1. So now let's look into the code. So here I have used PyCharm IDE to write this code. So in the first step we have initialized the Pygame, and then we have created a screen, that is our game screen, which has dimensions of 800 into 600, and then we have included the background image, that is our space image. And then in this step we have created our player, that is the rocket which is going to shoot the bullet, and we have placed it in the position of 370 into 480, that is 370 along x-axis and 480 along y-axis. And then we have created an enemy, that is our UFO, and using this for loop we have created multiple enemies, and in this step we have created the bullet, and it will be static for some time, that is it will be at 0 degrees x-axis and 480 degrees at y-axis. This is the position of our bullet. So next, this is the code for increasing our score. At first we have initialized the score to 0, and then text and text y to 10. So this is the game loop that I have written for a game, and in this when we press the left arrow, then the rocket will move -5 steps towards the left, and when we press the right arrow, then the rocket will move towards right, that is 5 steps towards right. So this code is used to move our rocket here towards the left and right. When we press the space bar, then the bullet is released. So in this step I have written the code for the collision, that is when the bullet touches the UFO should disappear and the scoreboard should be increased by 1. So here we are calling the function isCollision. So I have defined the function over here, that is isCollision, and it takes the input as the position of enemy and the position of bullet. And we have calculated the distance using the formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And if the distance is less than 27, it's going to return true, else it's going to return false. So here, if collision has happened, that is if collision is true, then the score value will be increased by 1. Now we'll execute the code and the game screen will be displayed. So this is our game screen, and we press the shift button, the bullet will be released, and when it hits the UFO, the score will be incremented by 1, as you can see. And when the UFO reaches the third quarter of our screen, the game will be ended. Now we can again restart the game, and again we can play, and as you can see the score will be increasing whenever we hit the UFO. So this is the game that I have designed. Thank you.